In this video, I'm going to show you how you can invite someone in Microsoft Teams. If you wish to send an invitation to any member or someone new, then it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to get started, log into your Microsoft Teams account, and once you are here, head over to people down below. Now here you'll be able to see a list of all the contacts that you have. However, if you wish to invite one to your Teams, now go down below and click on invite to Teams. From here, a link will be copied where you can now invite any person. Now you need to share that invitation with anyone, and whoever will click that link will be invited to your Microsoft Teams workspace. So that's how you can invite people to Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.